Then let me add another code block. Okay, so now generate option tree. Let's generate option tree. And then size of option tree is same to size of stock tree. So let's say stock option is option tree is basically stock tree, same to stock tree multiplied by 0. Okay, so I fill everything to the 0 first. And then at the last moment, I know it is a core option, so stock option for terminal value, for terminal period -1, terminal column. Terminal column is basically max, okay, max of stock price minus strike price, max of stock tree minus strike price, but of course this is the, okay, I is row and then last, right? Last column. And then this one is 0. Okay, so stock option is exercised only when it is positive. Okay. And then for I in range is of course length of stock tree. Okay. So stock option looks like this one. So the very last one, the last row, it looks like this one. Okay, so far so good. Stock, let me check. Stock option. Last column is like this one. Okay, good. So in this region, stock option is exercised. And in this region, stock option is not exercised. Good. And then now we have to do backward induction. Backward induction. This is from terminal to fasting. Okay. Fasting period to the end of fasting period. So it is a period of American option. Okay. So it is for I in range. Of course, it is the time step. And then it is after. It is the after the fasting period. So fasting period T, right? T. And then of course we have to divide by dt. Okay, because everything is in terms of the months. So to make sure it is integer. Okay, index is fine. Okay. And then this is time, but to fill every row, so for J in range here, time step. So this is row. First on the column is row. Of course, -1 because I have to add +1. So -1. Okay. So first, this is American option. So option can be exercised anytime. So we have to calculate the inner value. Okay. So inner value, which is the value of the option if it is exercised right away. Okay, then it is a stock tree. minus strike price. Okay, but of course, in the stock tree, we have to find the right location. Right location. So, of course, it is J. First one is J. And then second one is the time of the I, right? So we are moving from the back. So time step minus I. And then we have to subtract minus 1 again because we are doing backward induction, okay? So this is inner value. Strike price inner value. Stock tree J time step minus I minus 1 strike price. Now we have to find the on movement case of if what would happen if stock price go up and then stock price up movement is stock tree, and then on movement is basically same line, but next period. So we don't have a minus 1 over here, minus I. Okay, we don't have minus 1 because the next period. And then, of course, we have to multiply probability going up at this period. So probability going up here. So P. Okay. So at the node of the probability going up. How about down? If it goes down, there is error. I times up stock tree PG too many indices for array, one dimensional. But sorry, because yeah, it is one dimensional, so no J. Okay, good. Down. Now down movement is basically I can copy and paste, but it's down, so it should be +1. Okay. And then either up or down, it's 1 minus of the on movement. Okay, on movement. And then DF is discount factor. Discount factor is discount at the time, so NP, EXP, and then 4 minus forward rate. And then at this moment, discount rate is this one, again, same to this one. And then multiplied by dt. Okay, it is the discount factor. Okay. So continuation value is basically discounted value of up plus down. Okay. Okay. Continuation value. Let's call it just C. Continuation value. So it is the continuation value. So it is the inner value. So the holder of this stock option compare inner value and continuation value and choose the big one, of course. Big one. So stock option at this time is it the same one? Stock option at this time is max of continuation value and inner value. Okay, continuation, inner value. So far, so good. Now, for I in, okay, so it is like after vesting period. And how about before vesting period? Okay, it is before vesting period. So basically, okay, how about copy? Let me copy. During the vesting period. Now, okay, so this is the ending period. And then now is starting from here to the last time step. Okay, and J should be same and up inner value. Now we don't, it cannot, it because now it is European option. At this time it is European option. So it cannot exercise option right away. So inner value is not necessary. So, and then only continuation value matters. The third option is simply C here. Continuation value. Okay. Simply continuation value. Okay, so I think we are almost done. So let me check. Let me check the tree. Print, tabulate, stock option. And then let me check first 10 metrics. Okay, so looks like this one. Ah, there is something wrong. I am sorry, but there is something wrong with my timestamp minus. Ah, this should be I. Okay. How about this one? This should be I. And then stock option. One, stock tree. Yeah, sorry, it is continuation value, so it is not stock option over here. Well, no, it is not stock option. Next period option value, and it is the next period option value. Sorry, next period option value. So continuation value is the option. So then it is the option value of the next period and option value of the next period. Okay, now I think this is correct. So this is true. So the very first argument, this is the stock option price. So print stock option price is stock option, or the very first one, 0.0, and then percent of current stock price. Okay, so stock option price is this percent of current stock price. So we are done. This is stock option price. Thank you.